doing that. So, first I'm going to start asking you about your tasks in the reservoir team.
Okay.
I don't know if I start from this because I have two videos I collect. Maybe this helps me. This helps you to explain and for me to visualize your reality.
Yeah, I share
First,
with you. I shared some two
oh
videos. I
yes,
think.
yes, 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 yes.
I don't know
Also,
if you
yes,
saw it.
you can explain from there to me. You see here.
Different substances are separated based on their.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
refinery.
So this is the refineries, right?
Yeah, right.
You don't have anything to do with it.
No,
Okay. I don't know how
it
to
is not
move
part of
forward.
my job.
Yeah. This is the separation. This is about the refineries.
Yes, the refinery.
Mm-hmm.
They process the oil. They increase the oil temperature, and
Mm-hmm.
when you increase this temperature, you may separate the oil in different phases, and
Mm-hmm.
you can get with this increase in temperature different fractions of
Mm-hmm.
hydrocarbon. Um, how can I say hydrocarbon elements, for example. You can you can separate the crude oil in gasoline, in gas, in light fraction of
Uh-huh.
hydrocarbon elements C1, C2, C3, C4, ethane,
Uh,
propane, this kind of uh, hydrocarbon elements in the
okay.
refinery.
Uh-huh. And is the crude oil real oil? Or it's because I've heard some people was explaining to me many years ago, saying that there were rocks. Are they rocks? Or is it
No, the
like
oil
hard
is this
material or is it liquid?
it's liquid. The oil it's it is inside of the rock, in
Yes.
the portals,
Uh-huh.
the
Let me
portals
check.
of some rocks.
I don't know that there's
The
name.
oil is inside of it.
Pores of the stone.
Pores. It
Pores.
is it.
Yes. Same name.
And in these pores, you you can have everything: gas, oil, and water in different fractions, different
Uh-huh.
quantities.
So when you sell, your company sells the oil, it's liquid. You separate,
Yeah,
you take it from the rocks.
yeah. In the oil stations, I don't know.
Stations, yes.
We have a station, and in these stations, uh, they 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 receive it. They receive all the oil and water and gas production, and
Mm-hmm.
they did a first separation. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
some of the water goes to injection in the reservoir, the
Mm-hmm.
gas for selling and gas for sale. But the water, some of the water, we re-inject the water in the reservoir to increase the reservoir pressure.
Okay.
Because
Wait. Mm.
when we produce this liquid, we are reducing the reservoir pressure, and the pressure is the mainly recovery factor from the reservoir. If the reservoir there is no pressure, he will
Uh-huh.
not produce, and we have to reject the water or do some interventions to increase this pressure.
Okay, so let me go back a little bit because when you are saying reservoir, I imagine like I told you, like a tank,
Yeah,
right?
like a
That
tank.
was
Yeah.
my imagination. But now I am in doubt if what you mean by reservoir is like the place, the place where you find the oil in the soil. Is it
Yes, it is the place.
reservatório? It's the natural reservoir, or is the place
Natural
where you
reservoir.
put the oil after you extract?
The natural reservoir
Ah, okay.
in
Yes. Ah, yes, yes, yes,
the
yes.
floor.
I remember now you told me like 4 kilometers, right? Some
Yeah,
reservoir.
we have to drill 4 kilometers for some wells, not every well.
Mm-hmm.
Some wells we have to drill a little bit more
Mm-hmm.
to found oil and gas. But here in Mossoró, mostly of our wells, it's something like five 500 meters, 1,000 meters, 1,500
Okay.
meters. It's not too deep.
Around 1 kilometer.
Yeah, something
Around a
500
bit less or a
meters.
bit more.
Yes, most of them 500 meters,
Mm-hmm.
or there is something like a range.
Yes, okay.
Uh,
Okay.
five, 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 500 meters or and 2,000 meters is the
Okay.
range here.
Okay.
We
Okay.
have deeper wells, but this is the
The size,
mostly of the wells is
the
in this range.
range.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. And reservoir. Okay. So let me put just I think it's not
Yeah.
too long.
There is a kind of a heavy oil.
Heavy oil.
The first one.
Uh-huh. That I cannot control here,
Yeah, it is
unfortunately.
a high viscosity oil
Uh-huh.
and low API degree.
Sorry?
The first one is a kind of
Viscosity.
high, yeah, viscosity.
Uh,
It's a kind of high viscosity oil with low API degree.
API degree.
Yeah,
Okay. Fuel for ocean going ships. That what's left at the end, very end
yeah,
is
asphalt.
okay, yes.
This is
Highways.
heavy part of the oil.
Uh-huh.
We may in the final um, cadeia, I don't know how to say.
The final step. The
Yeah,
final
the final stage in the
stage, yes.
refinery.
Okay.
The final stage,
Final
you
stage.
will we will have the heavy fractions of the
Uh-huh.
oil. It is the awesome things and paraffin.
Uh-huh. Let me see if I click twice. No. This is what they are saying that everybody thinks that it's the platforms are put on the ground, but actually they are floating. This is what
Yeah,
I remember from the
yeah.
beginning.
We have in
I think
the
this one is
asphalt.
not too big, right?
Yeah, it's not too. The production, the FPSO is bigger than this one.
Uh-huh. Okay.
This
Surface.
is
Oil.
a semi submersible.
How do you say?
Yeah, we could say SS in some
SS.
cases. Yes.
Okay. So complex, it looks most
Yes, it
common,
is drilling.
semi-submersible
Yeah,
platform.
yeah, it,
Port.
mostly of this kind of platforms is to just to drill the wells
Mm.
or start the well to produce. But for production is the FPSO, floating sharing production
FPA?
operations. F
FPA what?
FPA FPSO SO FPSO.
PSO.
Yeah, floating uh F floating production
Production.
and sharing operation.
FPS,
This.
FPSO. Yes. I think
Yeah,
most of my students, they embark in FPSOs, I guess.
yeah.
Macaia. Once position, it's anchored. You see? Okay. You see?
SS you have this these legs, I don't know how to say it. And they have a system to balance the fluctuation,
Mm-hmm.
or it's a kind of I don't know how to explain it. It's a little bit complex, but
Mm-hmm. I know.
they have a system to to optimize the position
Optimize,
of
optimize the
the
position of the
of the
platform.
the platform when you have
Uh,
sea level changes
okay, sea
because
level
the
changes.
wave is
Okay.
something
Uh-huh.
they have to
Okay.
be stable to drill,
Yes.
and
Yes,
they
the
have to
drill.
compensate the some they have some
Instability of
yeah
the
uh,
the
they have
surface,
to
right?
balance, yeah, they have to
Yeah, the
balance
balance.
a dynamic system to balance the stability of these rigs.
Okay.
But the FPSO don't need it because they
Doesn't
just
need
produce.
it.
Just
Okay.
the drilling
So
of her rigs have this system.
FPSO, does it go to the ground under the sea?
No,
No, is it
no,
like this one? They put some chip
no,
here. Is it the same system?
no. FPSO usually have it's like a ship with
Okay.
it's more like a ship. It's not like this
Okay.
one.
It's totally different. Yes. It's not
Yeah,
a platform, right? A rig. It's a
and this
ship.
is a rig. Yes,
Yes.
it's more
Rough
like a ship.
waves. You see, it's they are mentioning rough waves, pontoons below this thing here.
Yeah,
Filled.
they are filled with seawater
Ah,
to balance the rig.
okay, yes. Because of the gravity, it pushes down, right?
Yeah, and
They're drilling
it
offshore.
it can be more stable.
Mm-hmm. The layers to the water seabed. Seabed. What's
Seabed.
seabed? Seabed is the layer of the sea, right?
And maybe
Cama de
they
água
are
cama do
it's
oceano.
like the sea floor. They maybe they call it like seabed. Something.
Seabed. Pipe.
I
Sea.
prefer sea floor. It's more clean.
Uh-huh. Every step. So it goes blow out suddenly.
No, this is
Okay.
a blowout. They are not using blowout preventer.
Uh-huh. And it's he's called this is a safety thing, right?
Yeah,
Like
it is
it's
called
not
a
a blowout
blowout
preventer.
preventer. Yes,
Yes.
you can shoot in the well with the
Mm.
security equipment,
BOP.
and the BOP. You can
Yes.
shoot in the well and put the drilling column when you cannot control it
Uh,
to take out the drilling rig.
mm-hmm. Safety systems. And seal
Yeah.
the well instantly. Cut pipe shut down before being used. BOEs. Okay. I think platforms offshore are more risky.
Yeah.
They are more dangerous, right?
Yes.
Then for sure.
This is a beam pump. We have a lot of these beam pumps here.
Uh-huh. That's how you drill, right?
It is how we produce the oil.
Ah, okay. The pump is to produce the oil.
Yeah, the pump it is to
Ah,
produce, just to produce. But this is the it's not we don't have just this production method. We have three. We have a lot of methods, but
ah,
here in the Brazil, they usually just use three or four methods to produce the oil.
uh-huh. But always
This
using
is this is one of
pumps.
them. Yeah, use pump or electrical pumps
Uh-huh.
or this kind of pump.
Uh-huh. Cost 100 millions and work
Yeah,
like
this is
float.
the less expensive
Mm.
production method
Ah, really?
with the this is the less expensive mechanical production method, but we
Mm-hmm.
have other methods.
So now he's talking about uh the damages it causes to the environment. So it says here, he was saying that causes less damage. This short offshore might be cleaner. Yes, okay. So that was it. I wanted to show you. Maybe it could
Mhm.
help, but I think that has nothing to do, right, with with your system. So you can explain to me your tasks. I'm really curious. I want to understand it because yes. So start from the beginning. I know you go on site sometimes.
Okay,
You stay in the office, but yes, you can start. I have no
okay.
idea how to start this.
Eventually, I have to go inside to como é ser acompanhar
Follow.
to follow some important operations
Mm-hmm.
and but in normally I just stay on the office
Mm-hmm.
and in the office we follow the operations in the office, okay, and we have um this other kind of rigs I show it to you in the video. I don't know you have seen the
Oh, yes,
videos.
yes. Sorry. Ah, yeah. Let me.
No, no problem.
No, because
This is the
I watched some, but I didn't understand well. So
okay. This is
this is good because
the onshore workover rigs.
yes, now you can explain to me.
Okay,
Oops.
we here
This one
in our this one
first.
here we have to yeah. This is the rig for onshore operations.
Ah,
It's really
it's called
it's
also rig.
rig. It's also
Ah,
rig.
okay. Okay.
It's a different kind of rig, but it's a rig.
It's a rig. Okay. How tall is this one?
35 meters, maybe
30.
35, 40 meters. think.
40 meters. Okay. Is this the regular size? I mean, yes, I think so.
It's
To
not too big. It's a regular size. It is.
uh,
We we have small rigs than this,
mm-hmm,
but usually it is the size.
mm-hmm. And how deep does it go?
The how deep how deep the rig can go with
Can reach
production column can
the
reach, yeah,
depth.
can reach. It's it's related with the rig capacity. Um, the rig the rig horsepower. How
Horsepower.
how yeah, it's
Uh,
like, yeah, horsepower. When some rigs can reach 5,000 meters, um, other rigs just 2,000 meters, but
5 kilometers.
some rigs that is more bigger, more bigger.
This
But
is
these
too
ones,
deep.
uh, but this one, I think that this rig limit it's something, uh 3,500 meters. I think.
Okay, okay. And how long? I mean, when did they first install this rig? I mean, they construct this rig and started exploring. How many
Okay,
years?
to build it,
Yeah, since when they are exploiting in this specific rig?
I don't get.
Since when your company is using
Ah,
this rig to exploit um, oil in this rig? This
this one,
specifically.
or this kind of
This
rig.
one. This one.
But I don't know. Here we started the operation in Mossoró in 2019,
19.
and
Ah,
yeah,
okay.
2019. But some we have here we have some rigs that is ours,
Uh-huh.
but there is other rigs that is it's something like a contract. We have to we have a contract. It's not a contract.
Okay.
I don't know how to say alugada, for example.
Rented.
Yeah,
Rent.
that we have some rig that is rented,
Yes.
but
Rent. It's not the technical name, but it's for
yeah,
alugada mesmo. But maybe there's another specific name.
yeah.
Rented.
But this one, but there's this one I think that is rented.
Okay.
It is PR 23.
BR-23.
PR 23.
PR.
23.
PR.
PR 2023.
23. It's the model of the rig.
No, it's the name, the name of the rig. The
Okay.
thing that we give for this rig.
Okay. Okay.
But the kind is SC. The usually name is SCP SPT.
SPT.
Yes. In
What is
Portuguese is SPT.
in Portuguese? Okay. SPT. Okay. Okay. So in this rig specifically, um, you mentioned once for me, not once, last class, you mentioned that 6 people work in the rig. Is it
Yes,
this rig?
this rig.
Okay. Let me see
Here
it
in this
again.
rig, we have the the floorman,
Mm,
uh, toe pusher. We
mm,
have here the the drill. It's not the driller, but
mm,
it's
kind
this is the
of.
function.
Really?
It's a kind of driller, but it's not driller. It's we call it uh I know the name, but I forgot. I'm trying to remember. Mm, we call it soldador.
Soldador?
Mm, soldador. But
Sondador.
there is another name for this for this.
Not solda, right? Zzz,
No,
no, soldador.
soldador.
Sonda.
Driller, it's driller. It's
Driller.
driller.
Yes,
Yeah.
must be driller.
But for production operations is another name. Driller is for drilling rigs. It's different. But
Uh-huh.
the the he do the same function
The same part
like as a driller in the drilling
in
rig.
the
He
platform.
he operate the rig. It's the same, but this is a production rig. This
Uh-huh.
this is the only difference.
Uh-huh. Okay, so then the oil comes from uh
Yeah, this is the
inside
call
tower. Inside this tower. This column
the right here. Yeah,
here.
this tubing at the right. No, at
Ah,
the
this
right.
tube here.
Yeah,
Ah,
yes.
okay. So
This
the
is the
oil
production
comes from
column.
this tube.
Yes,
This.
we put this column in the well
Uh-huh.
with a pump
Mm-hmm.
that is connected in
Mm-hmm.
this tubing,
Mm-hmm.
and inside of this tubing we installed rods,
Uh-huh.
and these rods are connected with the pump,
Uh-huh.
and the 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 beam pump that you showed in the last
Uh-huh.
video is
Uh-huh.
installed on the surface in the rods, and the rods do movements to up they do up and down movements, and
Uh-huh.
this movement moves the pump
Mm-hmm.
in the well
In the well.
that installed at the bottom hole. Um, and they produces in like in this way to the beam pump with rods. The rods moves up and down, and this movement
Uh,
moves the pump.
how do
And
you
when the
how
pump
do you
moves
spell
up and
this?
down,
Uh-huh. Yes, yes, I saw
when
in the video.
the pumps moves up to
Uh-huh.
up and down, they produce.
Then
We have some we ha- yeah we, they have some valves,
uh-huh.
and when you they have two valves.
Uh-huh.
When you up the rods,
Uh-huh.
the valve, the upper valve closed, and
Uh-huh.
the bottom valve open.
Opens.
And
Uh,
yes, and when you down the pump,
uh-huh.
the upper valve open and the bottom valve closes.
Closes.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's like a, I don't know, it's like a cylinder.
Uh-huh.
Something like this, something
Uh-huh.
like this.
Okay. That's seringa. Injection. Injection. Yes, seringa is a syringe. Squirt. Syringe. But it's like an injection, right? Seringa, você fala seringa de injeção?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Like an injection. Okay. Okay. And I was going to ask you, I forgot. Let me see. Ah,
Okay.
this is the photo.
This is a drilling rig
Mm-hmm.
in onshore. It's bigger, is more bigger than the production rig.
Then the first one.
Yeah, this is really
Mm-hmm.
big. In the
Okay.
video, I think that is in the video there is some people
This
that,
this
yeah, you
one?
can see, yeah, you can see some people in
Yes, I
the
see two
drilling
here.
floor here. Yeah. And
Yes.
you show the the high of the drilling of this rig. And now look to the another video, the drilling
Okay.
rig. Look the size of
This
people
one?
and the size of, yes, this one. Look the people and now look the rig.
Yes.
It's really
Yes.
big.
And here
Look at,
here work
yeah,
more people, maybe.
yeah, more
Two
people.
here, one.
11 people, 12, 13,
Ah,
13 people is more people here.
but do you have this rig in Mossoró?
Yes, this is where when I was working in another company,
Mm,
but here we have rigs like this. Just one. In
ah,
Bahia we have more. In Bahia we have 3 rigs like this, but here just one.
yes, yes, yes. You told me there are lots of rigs of your company in Bahia. And how many rigs are there in Mossoró now?
Here
Hmm.
uh, we have here 6 production rigs and 1 drilling rig here.
Can you repeat? 6 probation
6 production
production, okay.
production
Production
rigs
rigs and
and
6.
one drilling rig, just one.
Ah, 1 for 6 production.
For, yeah, 1 to drill and 6 to produce.
Okay, so these ones that you showed me here, they are drilling, right?
Yeah,
Drilling rigs.
yes.
And do you have a photo of a production rig?
The last one,
Sure. The last one, this one,
the last video.
the first one.
Yeah, this is the production.
Ah, this is about production.
Yes, this is not drilling. They
Okay.
are, they are, they are. Oh, I don't know how to. Uh,
What do you want to say? I can help.
I don't know what I want to say. This is,
Okay.
forget it. I don't know what I want to
Okay,
say.
I
This
forget.
is
Okay. So this, okay, so what do you do when you go on shore? What do you do?
when I go to the field,
Rigs,
the
to the
rigs.
rigs.
Just to look the operation,
Ah, okay. So then you,
because
mhm,
usually we do workover programs,
uh,
and these production rigs are responsible to execute what we planned in this program.
okay. This one
Okay.
specifically.
Yes, we build a program to, for example, to access some reservoir, and they
Uh-huh.
are responsible to execute this program, to
Mm-hmm.
evaluate, to produce, to, it's not just to produce, it's to, we call it this kind of operation,
Mm-hmm.
uh, we call it to work over.
Work over.
Yes,
Work over.
yes. They are
This.
responsible to do these workovers to
Like this?
evaluate the well, and yes, like this,
Uh-huh.
to evaluate the well,
Okay.
to to produce some specific zones
Mm-hmm.
and give to us the information, how is the production,
Mm-hmm.
what this zone is producing,
Mm-hmm.
and to do some simulations, acid simulation, frac simulations. We create this program, and they are responsible to execute And normally we go to the field just to follow this operation, just to look how they're going,
Mm-hmm.
if they have some problem, or if they are needing some help for something, just
Mm-hmm.
to support the operation,
Check.
not
Yes.
to be directly involved with this, with the rig operation. So
Uh-huh.
just to look, or
Uh,
give
so
some
this rig, ex mm,
orientation
yeah, no, repeat
or
because
something like this.
no, repeat, please, because the internet is not good.
Your video, uh, you asked some.
Yes, because yes, repeat again the last part you said. Because the internet's not good. My gosh.
This. And we usually just go to the rig
Uh-huh.
to give some support that
Uh-huh.
they are, if they are needing of support,
Mm-hmm.
and to look how the operation was going.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, it's not
Yes,
that
that's
there's
it.
we don't, we aren't involved with the rig operation. We don't go to to do some service, nothing,
Mm-hmm.
just to follow what the operation was going. Just
Uh-huh. What is inside these barrels here?
some chemicals,
Sorry? Ah,
some
chemicals.
chemicals.
Chemicals. And
I
here too,
think in
right?
the left is acid. I think
Ah, okay. This is
H,
acid.
yes, HCl, I think.
Uh-huh. And both are two
Stimulation to
of the
stimulate
crude oil.
the reservoir to increase produce.
Ah, okay. Okay. And tell
In,
me, what
in this
is
case,
mhm,
in this case, the rigs are doing a workover to stimulate the reservoir
mhm,
with acidification.
acid?
The acid can, yeah, the acid um, can break the sand and
Mhm,
the carbonates of the reservoir.
mhm.
And when we break this sand and carbonate, we create something like channels in the reservoir.
Mm,
And these channels can improve can increase the production. There is a kind of of it's like a clean way to produce, because the reservoir, it's a rock, right? And if we
yes.
have when if we have um, some spaces that there is no rock, they
Mm.
can produce better. Okay?
You
And
can
with this
produce
acid,
better.
yeah. And when we do this acid, we create these channels to increase the production.
You c- when you put this acid in the soil, in the yes, in the soil, right? In the reservoir,
The reservoir. Yeah.
you improve your production
Yes.
because it's not so hard, right? It's just dismantle or not not dismantle, but
No, they can HCl can dissolve it. It is solve.
as dissolver, né?